All right. Abundant April, week 2 is officially in the books. Now, we have $45 invested into the stock market so far. As you can see on the screen, we have $46.08. Not too bad if you ask me. Now, a lot of people are going to say, oh, well, you just made $1. Yeah, that's true. But so what? We're forming habits. You know what I'm saying? Good habits at that. And at the end of the day, if there was more money invested, we would have been making more. But let's get into the holdings. First up, we have Tesla. Tesla the past week is up 7.6%, the equivalent of $17. So our position, we have $9 invested in it, and we're up a total of 8 cents on our $9. Not bad. Almost 1%, but that's cool because Tesla likes to run and run big. So I ain't mad about it. Next up, we have Google. Google, we have $9 invested in it again. Let's see, the past week, we're up 9% on Google. So our return on our $9 is 27 cents. We're up 3%. Now, just a quick side note, a lot of banks don't even pay you 3% for the whole year, and they're making money off of your money, so why not do what the wealthy people do? I say that all the time. Next up, NVIDIA, $9 in it. The past week, NVIDIA was up 20%, or the equivalent of $18.70. See that? Our $9 is up 55 cents, 55.8 cents. You round it up to 56. So right now we're up on NVIDIA 6% on our investment. Next stock up we have JP Chase. With that dividend coming, I'm excited about it. Even though it's only 2 cents. It's going to snowball effect, mark my words. So our $9 that we have invested in JP we're up 3.35%, or the equivalent of 30 cents. Not too shabby. JP as a whole is up 13% the past week, or the equivalent of $28. Last up in my holdings, Pepsi. So the past week, Pepsi was down $3.95, or the equivalent of 2.67%. Now, remember when I said Pepsi doesn't have tremendous wins or losses? It doesn't move a whole lot. It's a very slow and steady type of stock. So we have $9 invested in it. We have a value of 86 cents. So right now on Pepsi, we're down 1.51%, or the equivalent of 13 cents. So overall, I can't complain. Our portfolio is diversified, and we're still up over the past week. You see that? The past week, as a total, we're up $2.70. Remember, that first week was a red week, or meaning the stocks went down. But hey, it's all part of the struggle. When the stocks is red, that's a buying time. That's when everything is on discount. Always look at it like that. When the stock has run, or you hear about it in the news, by the time you hear about it, usually it's off to the races, or like they like to say in stock terms, is to the moon. That's not when you want to buy. But yeah, that's the recap for Abundant April of week 2. Looking forward to week 3. Everybody be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I definitely would appreciate it. Everybody take care, stay blessed, stay elevated. Salute.